Welcome to our 12 days of Christmas in the kitchen. Come with me as I share how we celebrate the 12 days of Christmas in our family. Each day I'll be sharing a recipe. Some are part of our yearly traditions and some are brand new to us this year. I am so excited to bring you along and share each one. For day 2 of our Christmas kitchen series, we are celebrating 2 turtle doves with a turtle chocolate candies. Layers of rich chocolate with a hint of crushed peppermint pulls this together in one little bite. These are perfect for gifting, sharing, or tucking away for a quiet moment by the tree. Christmas treats don't always have to be complicated. Sometimes they're just sweet, simple, and meant to be enjoyed slowly. Today I'm making some turtle dove inspired chocolate candies with this really super cute turtle mold. I'm simply going to temper some chocolate chips. I have some milk chocolate chips here. I'm going to temper some on the stove, and then I will add a few sprigs of peppermint to some of them, and I'm going to keep some of them plain. I'm just going to crush some peppermints here before I do anything else. I'm going to create a double boiler on my stove, so I have a pot of water warming. Once that comes to a boil, I will put this on top and start melting the chocolate. You could also do this in a microwave, but we do not have a microwave, and so we are going to use the stove. I've created a double boiler on my stove. Underneath is a pot of boiling water, and on top is my glass bowl, and my chocolate is going to melt right in there. All right, so now our turtles are finished. They are just little bite-sized goodness. I'm going to use it as a topper for some homemade ice cream. 2 scoops of ice cream and some turtles to top it.
Oh.
Oh, this guy wants to come too. I will be sure to list all the recipes in the description box down below. I will include links to any recipes that are not my own. Some of these recipes are my own and are available in my cookbook. I will leave a link to that cookbook, which is available on Amazon, in the description box below. I will also leave the recipe here on the screen for you so that you can screenshot the video and save the recipe. Thanks so much for spending this time with me in my kitchen each day. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.